95 presents You Will Pay Your Bills.
You is paying your bills. Weekday mornings up at 10.
So what are you waiting for? Get your bills in now and move at 925.com. In 3 words, what do you think it's for? It's Brooke from Brooke and Jubal in the morning. I'll move at 92.5. Would you say new careers ahead? My awesome job, new beginnings, family, the ability to serve, that you're able to give. These are all 3-word phrases used by Evergreen Beauty College students. It's pretty cool. At Evergreen Beauty College, the students put together a video about how thankful they are for different things in their life. And they said those things in 3 words. They submitted their video to Modern Salon magazine, who actually highlighted their video in the inspiration category. And do you know what else Evergreen Beauty College is thankful for? They're thankful that beauty changes lives. If you want to join this inspirational group of students and you have a passion in hair, makeup, nails, or skin, all you got to do is go to evergreenbeauty.edu and watch the video while you're there. It'll help you get a better grasp on what Evergreen Beauty College really stands for. It's under the news and events page, or you can go to their Facebook fan page. Again, it's Evergreen Beauty College. They're enrolling right now at their campus in Everett and Bellevue. They're changing the industry one student at a time.
Washington State's 39,000 farms produce an abundance of crops, from world-famous apples to some of America's finest milk and dairy products. But despite such a bountiful harvest, too many Washington families have trouble keeping food on their tables. Dan Newhouse is director of the Washington State Department of Agriculture.
1 in every 5 Washington residents utilize food banks every year. Our agency distributes nearly 20 million pounds of food annually to keep the shelves stocked. But even though that sounds like a lot, that's not going to be nearly enough to reach everyone.
In an effort to help meet the growing demand, Washington's dairy farmers have joined forces with Northwest Harvest.
Dairy farmers are running food drives and raising money in support of Northwest Harvest, which provides food to people in need across our state. Right now, the need is great, so if you can, help them out. Please, donate.
To learn more about how you can help Washington's dairy families fight hunger, visit akeyingredients.com.
You might have heard that CenturyLink is offering their internet service for a price that you can lock in for 5 years. Don't be fooled. What they don't tell you is that you have to bundle it with their home phone service to get that offer.
Huh. And what's that going to cost me?
Their home phone service is going to cost you an extra $45 a month.
Whoa.
That's an extra $540 a year.
Wow. CenturyLink doesn't tell you that.
No, they don't. But here's an offer that you can count on. Get the Xfinity Triple Play for $99 a month for 12 months, plus Showtime free for 3 months. There's no term contract and no early termination fees, and it's all backed by the 30-day money-back Comcast customer guarantee. You'll get the most on-demand TV shows and movies, on TV and streaming online. The speed you need from the fastest internet provider in the nation, according to PC plus reliable home phone service for less. Call 1-800-XFINITY now. Offer ends 3/25/12. Restrictions apply. Limited to starter XF Triple Play for new residential customers. After promotion, regular rates apply. Equipment installation, taxes, franchise, and telephone fees extra. 2011 rating by PC Mag based on review of customer data from speedtest.net.
This year, make 2012 the new you year with Ovation Cell Therapy. Guaranteed to restore your hair's natural beauty, Ovation Cell Therapy can help repair dry, brittle, damaged hair caused by harsh chemicals and heat styling.
Ovation Cell Therapy can dramatically reduce breakage and help repair split ends, even helping to repair the damage caused from hair extensions. With Ovation Cell Therapy, your hair can be thicker, stronger, longer, and healthy again. Guaranteed.
My Ovation experience has been great. My hair was terribly damaged and overprocessed, but now my hair looks and feels healthier. I love you guys.
Make this year your new you year. Join the Ovation Nation and take the Ovation Challenge of thicker, stronger, longer, and healthier hair. Guaranteed, or you get your money back. Hundreds of thousands of Ovation customers can't be wrong.
For your new you year, log on to ovationhair.com and enter MOVA92.5 at checkout for a special introductory discount. For thicker, stronger, longer, and healthier hair, log on to ovationhair.com and enter MOVA92.5 at checkout for your special savings.
It's Pick and Pull once again. I'm Pick. And I'm Pull. Friends, we're here at America's Most Wanted Junk Cars, the program where everyday good people like you are getting cash for their junk